Welcome back to Aditi's Kitchen. Today I am going to share you all a recipe of Natti Chicken Curry. See the ingredients needed for the Natti Chicken Curry. Now here I have taken 1.5 kg of Natti chicken marinated with pepper, salt and turmeric. And for this 1.5 kg of Natti chicken, I have taken 4 big onions sliced and 2 green chilies, 20 small onions, 1 big piece of ginger and 3 garlic crushed, 3 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 8 pieces of coconut, 11 red chilies, um, 1 teaspoon pepper crushed, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 piece of cinnamon, 5 cloves and 4 elaichi and 1 bay leaf. Same for frying the masala. Salt to taste, curry leaf, coriander leaf, 3 small tomatoes smashed and oil. Now I have kept a kadai. This has become hot. Into this now I am putting the oil. Now into the oil I am going to put the spices. Now the spices has to become little bit fried. Now we can put our coconut into this. And now this should become fried. Then we can see other. Now this has become nicely fried. So nice smell is also coming. Now this we have to keep this for a little bit being cool. After this being cool, we can put this into a jar and grind it. Now I have kept a cooker that has become hot. Into this now I am pouring the oil. Now the other spices. The spices should become lightly fried. Then we can put our other things. Now this has become fried. Now into this I am going to put the onion, sliced onions into this. And the small onions also, and 1 pinch salt. And until the color of the onions change lightly into goldenish brown, until that we should mix it. Now the color of the onion and all has been little bit changed. Into this now I am going to add the paste of ginger garlic and little bit of curry leaf. And until the smell of this ginger garlic paste and onions go, until that we should keep on mixing it. Now the smell of the onions and the ginger garlic paste has been gone. The color has also changed so nicely. Now I am going to add the tomatoes and little bit of curry leaves and oil, and we should mix this until the smell of the tomatoes go. Now the smell of the tomatoes has been gone. Now into this I am going to add the natti chicken. When I was marinating, I forgot to say you that into this I have put 1 tablespoon of chicken masala and mixed it. Now I have poured the chicken into this. Now I am going to add a little bit of oil and the curry leaf. Now until the color of the chicken change slightly, we should mix this. Now the chicken has been nicely fried. The color has also been changed. To this I am going to add the masala which we had grinded and kept. Now I have poured the masala. Now we should mix this well. Now I had mixed this well, and see the color of the natti chicken. So nice color it is. Now I am going to add 4 cups of water to this, and the salt which we took, full salt, and we should mix this nicely. And now this is natti chicken, so we should put this for 4 whistles. Now it has become 4 whistles. Now let us open it. Wow, so nice smell is coming from this, and it see the color of it. It's so nice. I'll just show you. See the color of the gravy. It's so nicely cooked. Now I'm going to add some pepper. This in Malayalam we call it as varuthu Nadan kozhi curry. And now little bit of coriander leaf. Now I'll make it into a bowl and come. So our natti chicken curry is ready. So nice smell is coming from this. If you like this, definitely please subscribe this channel. Let us see in the next video. Bye bye.